With a company of our size, it's important that we have the latest technology. And even if we are small, we have an advantage to be very flexible in the market. So our strong point right now is actually that we are 3 to 5 years ahead of the competition when it comes to innovative technology. And with the 5 years we are ahead of the competition, it's tomorrow's technology today. The technology, first of all, is the most important thing. The workforce, obviously, the knowledge within the company. A lot of our employees has grown up with the company, so they are very familiar with machine tools. We also have I would say, a good ethic and a family feeling with our customers. They feel that they are part of the business. I would say those are the 3 strong points within the company. It's an easy question, I would say. Our short decision ways within the company, a smaller company like ours, it's from decision to end product is very quick. That's an advantage. The advantage we also have is obviously the technology. And one thing that we have been proud of doing is to guarantee, especially run times or machining times. Many competitors guarantee things, but they don't really put it in a contract, and that's what we have done and been successful with.